Hi, this is Lee, and in this video I'm going to show you how to edit the animated logo intro video template. So this is a template that you can use to create your own animated logo intro for your video streaming service such as YouTube, Vimeo, whatever it is you might be using, or for presentations. And the idea behind the template is that you can add your logo, customize the colors, and then save it down as a movie file ready to upload to the streaming service of your choice. So this template is available on my Buy Me a Coffee page. So if you go to buymeacoffee.com/Lee Launches, you'll find it there. You can download it there. And the file that you will be able to download is either a keynote file if you're using Keynote on a Mac or iPad, or PowerPoint if you're using a PC or a tablet, a Windows tablet. There's also a Google Slides version. However, I recommend using the Keynote version or the PowerPoint version if you have those pieces of software. The Google Slides version requires you to also capture your screen in order to turn it into a movie file, and also the animation effects are also limited in Google Slides. So like I say, for best results, use either Keynote or PowerPoint, both of which files are available when you download the template from my Buy Me a Coffee page. So without further delay, let's get into how to customize this for your needs. So I've provided two different templates, and the two different templates are in two different slides. So basically they're just two different layouts, and what you need to do is change the color to match your branding, change the logo type, so this is the logo type, and change the actual logo, and then also you can customize the URL. So if you don't have a logo type, then you'll probably find that this version of the logo intro is the better option for you, because you can just edit the type and edit the logo. Basically, to update the logo, all you need to do is insert your own logo file, either in a transparent PNG file or a SVG or Illustrator file. I have got my logos ready here. So this is my logo, so I put that in there, and then you can just scale it down so it fits within the box. You can also drag this in, and then you want to change the logo type. Again, I've got it in this file here, so paste this in here, and basically on Keynote this is set up so you just paste O into the image and it will replace it. On a PowerPoint you might need to select replace image. I know on Google Slides you will need to select replace image, so you will need to select the image and then replace it. So once you've inserted the image, you can then scale it down a bit further so that the layout works. Get a bit of spacing here, I think that works, and then you can drag both items by selecting both items. I'm holding shift and then dragging both the items to the center, and you see it's showing me that it is center aligned. And then you would want to change this. I'm going to put my Buy Me a Coffee URL in here, and that's it. It's customized. Now you just need to change the color. So in here you can select a color using the eyedropper, so I'm going to select one of the shades off of here. That'll do. So I've changed the background color. On here you'll notice it's underlined that. I'm going to remove the underline because I don't want that. So now we can preview this by going to animate, click the build order, click preview, and you can see that that's all updated with my own logo and colors. So we can also customize this template, as I say. So again, we just need to select our own logo and paste into the box. Again, scale it down so it fits within the box dimensions. You can then change this text, so it can be a URL or it can be your branding, your organization name, whatever it might be. You can increase the size if you want to fit with the size of your logo. Again, make sure these are both center aligned. Customize the color. I mean, this time let's select a different color. So we could have a shade. We could have a shade of, yeah, something like that. Again, if we play this, so you can see we've customized both those slides. Both are different layouts. The one with both the logo type and the URL, and we've also customized this layout, which just has the text, logo type, and again you could change the font on this if you wanted. And then basically all you need to do, you don't need to customize both, just choose the one that you want, delete the one that you don't need. So that's it, we've customized both these slides. You don't need to customize both these slides, I just did it to show you how it works. You just need to simply select the layout that you want, the one that works best for you, whether you have it with the logo type and the web URL, or whether you just have the logo and the text version of the logo type. So once you've chosen which one you want, delete the one that you don't want. So I'm going to delete the grey one. So once you've deleted the slide and chosen the slide you're going to go with, just simply export to a movie file. Select 1080p, don't worry about these other settings, just click next. Give your file a name, Lee Launches logo intro, and that's it. And then I'm going to quickly find this for you. So where's the file? Open this up and you can see it's ready to go. So that's how to customize the template for your own logo. One thing I want to show you, which is an added bonus, is I've also set this up so you can add your own sound effects. So simply purchase your own sound from any sound music sharing service, or create your own sound yourself, and then just upload the sound here. Just replace the sound that is here, and you can have your own unique music to go along with your intro. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up, hit the bell notification for more videos like this. I am going to be doing another video which shows you how to create an intro like this from scratch using Keynote or PowerPoint. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you get news of that as soon as that is ready. If you would like to get this exact template, you can go to buymeacoffee.com/Lee Launches and click on the shop, and you can then download the file from there. If you become a member, you get access to all the products I create, so go there if you would like to get this file. Leave me a comment if you found this helpful and let me know what you think. See you in the next video. Cheers.